Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit, and today we're down at Range Rover West London securing this Range Rover Sport, which is brand new, before the customer takes it home. So on this we've got a Starline Pro. If a thief got this key, done a relay attack, copied the key and went to steal the vehicle, it's going to start up, but as soon as they put it into gear, you're going to see the vehicle cut out. They're going to be unable to drive it away and your vehicle's secure. So with this, you can pair your phone up, or you can just pop in a code. For now we have a simple 1, 2, 3. You'll hear a disarm tone, and now you can select a gear and drive away. With your phone in your pocket, you can just hop in the vehicle and drive off. No need to do the code, you'll hear that tone straight away. This customer's also gone for the optional Bluetooth tag, so if we pop the battery in the tag, now the customer just has it on their keys, gets in, starts the vehicle up. You hear it disarm, and we can drive away. No need to input that code, just have the tag on your keys and you can drive off. Taking this car for a service, taking it back to Range Rover, what you can do with your tag or your phone or the buttons, you put it into service mode. To do that, we'll press and hold on this tag. It will go solid. When it starts to flash rapidly, we'll let go. We get 2 bleeps within the vehicle, and now this is a normal car. So as you'll see, it's going to start up, go into gear. Range Rover will be able to use it, drive it around their workshop. Vehicle's not going to stall out. Just going to behave as if nothing's fitted to it. And as you'll see on the tag, we have an orange light to confirm it's in service mode. In the app, you'll get a yellow circle. To turn it back on, you'll press and hold to do the same process again. The light will stay solid. When it starts to flash rapidly, we'll let go. 2 bleeps within the car, the vehicle's protected, and the way you'll know if you've got your tag in the car, turn the ignition on, you hear the disarm tone, the system's active. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. As you can see, we're at the Range Rover West London, protecting this vehicle before the customer takes it home. Give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit, and this is a brand new 2023 Range Rover Sport.